In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Hostinger platform efficiently. This walkthrough will help you optimize your website management tasks by utilizing Hostinger's comprehensive tools and features. So, let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to Hostinger's homepage. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and visiting the Hostinger website. The address bar is your friend here, so simply type in hpanel.hostinger.com and hit enter. You'll find yourself on the main page of Hostinger where the magic begins. Once you're there, the next step is to locate and click on the dashboard images. You'll typically find this in the top menu after logging into your account. The dashboard provides a centralized hub for managing all aspects of your hosting services, so it's instrumental in keeping everything organized. It's here that you get a bird's-eye view of everything happening with your websites. Now, after accessing the dashboard, you'll want to focus on improving your site's speed, which is crucial for user experience and SEO. Find the Page Speed Insights option and click on it. Page Speed Insights is a tool that gives you an in-depth analysis of your website's loading performance and suggests specific improvements to enhance speed and efficiency. Following this, move your cursor and click on the Performance tab. This section is where you can monitor and optimize various performance metrics of your site. Delving into this area allows you to see how well your website is functioning, with options to tweak settings for better responses and loading times. Next on the agenda is to examine the Object Cache. Clicking on Object Cache allows you to manage how your site stores frequently accessed data. Effective caching is essential for minimizing load times and ensuring that visitors have a seamless experience when they navigate your site. Then we move to an equally important aspect, security. Navigate over and click on the Security option. Ensuring your website is secure is critical. This section lets you configure security settings to safeguard your data from potential threats and breaches. It's always a good idea to periodically review and update your security settings. Following security enhancements, we'll explore the AI Troubleshooter tool. By selecting this feature, you engage to an intelligent assistant that can help diagnose and rectify common issues your website might encounter. It's an excellent resource for troubleshooting without needing extensive technical knowledge. While you're still in the AI Troubleshooter section, locate and click on the Copy Website feature. This tool is invaluable when you need to make a backup or a clone of your current site, allowing for easy restoration or testing changes without affecting your live site. Lastly, conclude your session by clicking on Presets. This feature offers predefined settings that can optimize various aspects of your website with just a few clicks, making management more straightforward and less time-consuming. By the end of this guide, you should feel more confident in maneuvering through Hostinger's platform, ensuring your website is both fast and secure with minimal effort. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!